Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Video is now locked.
Yep. You asshole. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me.
Oh yes!
Get him, boy! Get him!
Oh, that's so good.
Yes! Oh my God, karma's a...
There.
What do we do with that, Payden?
Could have cleaned it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Call 911.
Nice. My ankle.
Shoulder. It's
Yes,
really red light. And they were just keep going.
Yeah, they were not looking at all.
Crow in his stomach. Lots of Papa Crow has vowed to kill the whole Manson family. Bobby Beausoleil killed Gary Hinman, tried to frame the Black Panthers by writing political piggies in blood on the wall. Bobby Beausoleil is arrested. The Manson family, Gary Hinman tried to frame the Black...
Yeah. And it snows. Oh yeah, you're gonna need to change it. Not even tires. Yeah, not even that. It's just... Wait. What the fuck? What the fuck?
And literally everybody's... Imagine there's a road just like this, where there's always cars. Is that Tyler? Yo, he's laughing. He looks at his car first, and anyone else. Yeah, he's laughing the shit out.
You know why that happened, right?
Because of you?
Because he stole my car and he revved his car and he was
crazy, bro. Oh, my man's gonna lose his license. He's about to cry, bro.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.